Gordon Ramsay shocks fans with surprise Melbourne restaurant visit as he arrives in Australia to film new cooking series. Gordon Ramsay has taken Melbourne by storm as he prepares to film his latest show, Gordon Ramsay's Food Stars, for Channel 9. The renowned chef has been spotted surprising patrons at various restaurants around the city, leaving fans in awe of his unexpected presence. Tonight ended with a bit of celebrity stalking and a yummy dinner at Nobu. The delighted fan brought alongside a photo with Ramsay that was shared to Instagram. The show is scheduled to start filming with a live audience on Friday, with shooting dates listed from April 14th to May 9th. This means the fiery chef will be gracing Australia with his culinary genius for nearly a month. Subscribe to our channel for the latest on your favorite celebrities. Like, comment and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.